All right, something different for me, some steak bruschetta bites. So I'm gonna start off with some tomato. I wanna get these really, really small. So I'm gonna slice them up, get them chopped up, and then got some fresh garlic. I'm gonna get diced up, got some fresh basil. Also wanna get these rolled up and sliced really thin. Gonna mix this all together. So tomato, garlic, basil. We're gonna go with some Redmond kosher salt. We're gonna get some pepper and some of that walnut oil. I'm not measuring anything, just going with it. Got my flank steak that I want to get that meter 2 plus probe in. Gonna hit that spicy fajita up from Traeger, 225 degrees until I hit my internal temp. And we want to get that bread ready because I want to get this bread toasted up with that walnut oil. So hot, flat rock, get it toasted up. We want to go from that to the meat, get that reverse sear down, hit that medium rare, pull that probe out after a 15-minute rest. As you can see, that is a perfect cook. So now it's time to build. So we've gotten the mixture, the meat, gonna get some mozzarella cheese, some balsamic, and then I'm going with some fire honey from my boy Chef Jay. And these things were insane and refreshing.